Hey there, I just want to do a review of some pencils I've been using lately in my workshop and in my work bag. So a lot of people like to use mechanical pencils, but for some reason I always gravitate back towards the #2 pencils. And in my shop I've just been keeping some dollar store pencils and sharpener, and they're really poor quality and they've become quite frustrating, so I just decided I'll do a little research and get some good pencils. So what I found was these Staedtler pencils. Not exactly sure how you pronounce that brand name, maybe Staedtler. And so these are the Mars Lumograph pencils. Pretty high quality. A package like this of 10 is going to run you about $10 to $1 a pencil, but they last quite a bit of time, so it's really not that huge an investment for something that you use quite a bit. And these come in, this pack right here comes in different qualities of lead, so it goes anywhere from 6B to 4H. The B lead is going to be a little darker, softer, so when you make that darker line, the pencil is going to wear out a little quicker, and then you have to sharpen it a little more often. And then with the 4H, it's going to be a little harder, a little lighter of a line, but it's not going to wear as quickly. So the reason I got this sample pack was I didn't know exactly what kind of lead I would want to use in my workshop, what would work best for me. So I got this sample pack and then tried it out in some different situations and settled on the kind of lead that I wanted. So let's take a few of these out, sample them on some wood, and see exactly what they look like. So here I'm just going to draw some lines and we can see exactly what the lead quality is. So this is a piece of pine, pretty soft wood here, and we'll just see exactly what it looks like. So starting with the 6B here, as you can see, a pretty dark line. Then if we go to 5B, not a huge difference. 4B, 3B, got the 2B, we've got the B, and I'm trying to use the same pressure on each one, but it's obviously not perfect. Here is HB. That's more of a traditional lead. A lot of pencils come with that HB. We've got F. So you can see they are definitely lightening up as we go. H. 2H. 3H. 4H. So you can see with this 3H here, you can tell I didn't use the same amount of pressure. Let's try that one more time. And I think that one too, I had been playing around with the sharpener, so that one might have been a little sharper. But you can definitely see from the left all the way down to the right there, from the B to the H, there's quite a variation in both the darkness and slightly in the width too, because these softer leads, the tip's going to wear down a little quicker too, so you're going to get a little fatter line. So let's say you just wanted to play around with the 2H as well, down here. So you can do a light line, a medium line, and a hard line. So you can see there that even with just the 2H itself, you're going to be able to get these 3 different lines. So hope that helps, but it's probably best just to try the pack out if you want to get a feel for each type of lead. So after playing around with these in the workshop a little while, I decided that the 2H was actually really the one that worked best for me. It was kind of a good balance between the hardness and the darkness of the line that I was getting, and just had a good feel for me. But for everybody it's going to be different, but for these 2H's it worked for me. And so you can also order 10 packs of these. So I got a 10 pack of these, put a couple in my tool bag, put some in the workshop, so they're always on hand. And I also got a nice sharpener as well, one for my tool bag, one for the shop, so I can always keep them sharp and nice. So definitely recommend these. Definitely worth checking out this variety pack to see exactly what kind of lead you like, and then order the ones that work best for you. Thanks.